Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to insert the SIM card and the memory card into the Samsung A05S. Galaxy A05S can be used with 2 SIM cards and 1 memory card. In the phone box you will find the SIM tray removal tool. If you don't have this tool, use an unfolded paper clip or pin to open the slot instead. Push the SIM card ejector tool or a paper clip into the pinhole on the side of your phone. With enough firmness, the SIM card holder will eject. Put the memory card with the gold contacts facing down, and the SIM cards in the same way. The SIM cards are nano SIM type and the memory card is micro SD. The phone can be used with memory cards with a capacity of up to 1 terabit. Insert it back into the slot and push it back in. Don't push it too hard, however, as you may break the pin. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me a lot. Thanks again and have a nice day.